Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a new expense to your group on the Splitwise application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, click on the groups button down below, tap on the group, and now click on the plus icon down below. You should enter the description of the expense, then type in the expense, the amount of money that you have spent, and then you should select this option, so choose the payer and split it, so tap on equally. Here you can see the split options, tap on done at the top, select the date. On this calendar, tap on done again, select the group. You can add the picture and you can add an additional description or add notes to it. When you are done, click on the Save button in the upper right corner of the screen and the expense will be added. So here you can see the amount of money that you need to pay or others need to pay to you. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.